In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can make a game pass in Roblox in just few steps. It's a very easy process to do. For the first step, you need to open Roblox in your browser. You can open any of the browser and simply search for Roblox. Open its official website and simply click login to log in your account. After logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. In the header, you will see this create button. Click on it. Then you will be on this creator hub where to start making a game pass. You need to click on creations tab that's showing in left side. Here you will see your experiences. You can open any of the place. If I open this one, you can see here, now it's showing these sum of options. You need to scroll it down. Here you will get this passes option. Click on it and then scroll it down. Here you will get a button to create a pass. Click on it and here it is. So the first thing that you can do to create a pass is to select your image. You can click on that change button and select any of the image that you want to apply on your pass. Then you can rename it. You can type a description for it and simply create a pass. After clicking on create pass, you need to make it on sale. Scroll it down, find your recently created pass and simply you can see here it's showing off sale. Click on it and it will open up this basic settings where if you open this sales tab, you can type amount here for item for sale and simply select save changes and you will see here this notification pass updated successfully. So that's how you can make a game pass in Roblox in just few steps.